In this video, we'll walk through the channel settings in Buffer, where you can customize your time zone, posting schedule, link settings, and more. Let's dive in. If you click on any one of your channels, you'll see a settings cog right here where you'll find a few opportunities to customize your experience. Just a quick note that you won't see the same settings cog if you're looking at your All Channels view, as these settings are channel specific. You'll land in the Posting Schedule tab when first entering your channel settings. And the first order of business is ensuring your time zone is correct. Buffer sets your time zone automatically based on your browser's time zone or based on what's specified in your account settings. However, you can quickly change it for this specific channel here. Looking just below, the posting schedule is the backbone of your posting habit, determining which days and how many times per day to post. If you don't yet have posting times set up, you can ask Buffer to add them automatically for you based on the number of times you'd like to schedule per week. This is the quickest way to get started and stay motivated. However, if you'd rather choose the days and times you'd like to post, it's also quick and easy to add and remove times or turn on and off days here in your posting schedule. Every time you add to your posting schedule ends up as a posting slot in your queue. Where this comes into play is that when you schedule a post using the next available option, your post fills into the next slot in your posting schedule without you having to manually select a day or time from your calendar. Pretty slick. Let's move over to our settings under the General tab. The first is link shortening. If you choose a link shortening option, Buffer will automatically shorten any links in your posts, with the exception of Instagram, Pinterest, and Mastodon, as these platforms discourage shortened links. Next, you have the option to turn on Google Analytics campaign tracking. This setting appends UTM parameters to all of your links, allowing you to track link clicks from your Google Analytics account. Scrolling down, let's say someone gives you a spreadsheet full of captions for posts they'd like published. You can bulk upload those to this channel right here. Lastly, if you need to tidy up your queue, feel free to play around with any of these options. Oh, and don't worry, we ask you to confirm the change before we go ahead with it. And that's it! You have the opportunity to make each channel unique by adjusting its settings right there from the settings cog. If you need support at any time, just click on the Help button in the lower right of your dashboard or from the Help Center.